Ba doop dooby dabba doop ba ba doop ba dooby doop ba ba doop ba dooby doop ba ba scooby doop ba doo. Hey! Here we find ourselves in Santa's secret sanctuary of sparkle, his hallowed hall of holiday handiwork, a veritable treasure trove of trinkets and tapes, of ribbons and wrappings as far as the eye can see.
Not too shabby.
Miss Buttons, could it be that you've indulged in yet another one of those decadent chocolate chip delights?
No, of course not. I had 3.
Say, have you caught the chime of the hour? Our new helpers Sam and Murphy are gracing us with a fashionably tardy debut.
Sorry, we're late. We stopped to pick up extra wrapping paper.
Yeah, we lost track of time and got a little wrapped up.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries. This place could use a bit of unwrapping anyway.
All right. Now that all our jolly troops are here and accounted for, it's high time we roll up our sleeves and dive into some holiday hullabaloo. Feast your eyes on this itemized beauty, the official Christmas to-do list.
Whoa! That's a lot of Christmas cheer to handle in the next 12 hours.
Sure, but don't worry. If we work together, we can get anything done.
That's the spirit we like to see at the North Pole. You're already off to a great start.
Speaking of kicking things off, let's dive into Old Nick's jolly to-dos. First up on the hit parade, color coordinating those bows.
See? Piece of cake.
Oh no. Achoo!
Gesundheit, Sam.
Sorry about that, Murphy.
Santa's gonna be thrilled.
What a radiant display of wrapped wonder. You two have truly decked these halls with delight.
It was a breeze. Sorta.
Now, as a token of appreciation, we present you with these official North Pole participation ribbons.
And a lifetime Cookie of the Month subscription.
Ooh, more cookies. Ooh.
But tell me, where's Murphy? Playing hide and seek, is he?
Murphy? Murphy!
I'm just wrapped up in my work.
What can I say? I got rap happy.
Now, technically, we shouldn't unwrap him till Christmas morning, but let's make an exception.
I sure appreciate that.
Bye.